What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar on this fine day of May the 25th. Better go disrupt a room of Scronnee. Let's see if he's on. I noticed that he sent a picture that he had caught a shark, so he's already ahead of the game before I get in. But you know, I could be like, I didn't see the shark. But let's see, there you go. See what we could do for today at 8:07 my time. Oh, this man, he's still sitting the shark on the boat. Boy, I tell you. He sat here the whole time waiting on me to come in.
Oh, there he is.
So he could show off the shark.
Ah, shit, yeah.
Y'all see these, ladies and gentlemen? This is what I gotta deal with. So I can't go around and say I didn't see it. He left it on here on the boat with him. Look at that! I got
this motherfucker! Look at him! I just wasted my time sitting in here waiting. This mother, look at this guy. See, this is what I mean by he comes in and get all this luck. This guy. Let that be me. And it looked like a great white too.
It's a blood nose.
Man. Oh, I waited for you, Jordan. I waited for you, man.
But yours a personal best, so that's a congratulations on that, man.
Yeah. I think yours is bigger, but
no, definitely not.
That's small.
Hey, you know this is epic. You know what I mean? This is epic.
Yeah.
You sit here and wait with the shark for so long. And my very first one is shot.
First ties. See what I have to do with? Not what he has to do with.
Oh my goodness! So I looked at the thing. I have 36 great whites.
36? Huh? Okay.
Yeah, I have 36. Trying to get to that 50.
No way. Get that. 65. Wasn't that dude had 65?
Yeah. So you know you got more than that now.
They're hard to come by for people like me.
I know, right? I don't know. I can't really get them. You know what I mean?
No, you gotta know. You see what I said on the Facebook?
Hey, you know what's so awesome about this? Oh, my thing tried to mess up on me.
Oh, nice. I mean, oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, hold on. Let me hurry up, bring this damn shark in here.
Mine doesn't break. Oh, get it. Oh, I was like, no, that would have been epic.
I'm like, hold up.
That would have been epic.
I'm talking about
it's recorded too.
It's recording. I'm like, man, yeah. that would have been pretty wrong right there, man.
That would have been worth the wait for me.
Oh man,
I didn't wait it. I just waited for him to get a shark. Pretty much.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we call team player, guys. Girls and boys and girls.
We know there ain't no damn
Teamwork.
team play. He tried to show off of what happened. It bit him in the
Team player.
It bit him in the foot.
Plan B is team player. Plan A was to say, yeah, motherfucker, look what I got.
Oh my gosh. Now I can literally say it's epic because I caught the joker. This dude tried to rub it in that he got a shark, and I come back here and catch a shark on the very first catch.
First. What the hell? How many times have you seen that, you ladies and gentlemen? Are you not entertained already?
I seen you. I like he over here posting the pictures and everything. I'm like, dang, he dropping them off quick. I said, hold up,
like,
I gotta get
a lot of time.
Clearly. But at least it's in the book that you got the shark though. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
On here. So that's good.
Thanks for recording, Jordan. Appreciate that.
Oh man.
It wasn't for the world to see.
So now we still tied 1-1 with the Sharks.
Yeah, I get that right.
Since you want to keep it on the boat.
I was too busy taking pictures of it.
That's your story?
That's my story. I'm sticking to it.
All right. Hey, they gotta do something about this damn Oculus, man. It's like they took away on the videos that you want to sync yourself. I don't have the option to do that no more.
Really?
Yeah, it's like it says sync on a part. I can unsync the ones that sync, but I don't have no control on syncing the stuff that I want to be on there.
Are they long?
They are pretty. Not all of them.
That could be a reason.
That ain't the damn reason. They tripping. I want my option back. Especially that last one we did when we caught all them. When I was catching all them sharks, you know.
Yeah, rephrase.
That was a good day. But the thing is, I was able to play it. I was able to have it on Facebook, but I don't have it. I couldn't get I don't know how to pull that video from there to my phone so I could watch. So I could put it on the thing. Because like if I try to, all they gonna do is just send me the Facebook page. It's not the video.
Can you message it to yourself and then save it to your phone?
That's what I was trying to do. I couldn't. That was when I tried to save. I couldn't save it to the phone because it came in as a Facebook thing.
Hook up to your laptop. Transfer it from there.
I could try that. See if that works.
Should work. It's an external hard drive.
Yeah.
Acts like an external hard drive. Just pull that shit off.
Whoa! Another shark. That's a blood nose. No, that might. I got this monkey face.
Your monkey face, pickle nose back.
Matter of fact, while you doing it, let me go buy some bait. I don't wanna. I feel like I'm getting too close to my my lures and stuff. Oh, make sure. Let me move this out the way so we can see what he's doing. Most of my stuff, I got a good amount of stuff on $9.99. All my. Yeah, I got a lot of my stuff on $9.99.
All your lures $9.99.
Almost. I'm on Trank Bait.
Cage 1, 2, 3.
I'm on. That was on 300, but the one all of page 4 is on $9.99.
All that money.
This is. Everybody, I'm buying bait because I don't want to be catching these fish, and I don't get credit for it. So I go and buy these baits, even though I'm not gonna lose it, because I don't let no fish get away. Unlike my boy Scronnee over there.
What? Look, you got me all distracted.
I gotta turn this around then. I ain't see no. I didn't see no shark jumping. So you know what I mean? Yeah, let me put it down here at the bottom so I can see.
I don't see the whale.
Yeah, I see the whale coming up all slow. Like a doggone messed up hippo. With a tail. Dude, that's supposed to be like a humpback?
Probably. Humpback, humpback, humpback.
This man got all the time to catch all this shark, and I'm over here still buying bait. Because I'm greedy. I want to mess it out.
Because I'm greedy like that. Greedy like that.
Good job.
Thanks. Thanks, bud. Look at this next one I'm about to catch.
Alright, then we're going to move that to the... Alright, let me come out here and see if I can get me a second shark. Since he got one. It's only fair.
Oh, that's what they do. Let's give him one too.
That's how it was when I was fishing with you before. Every time I try to get away, you would always catch a shark as well. I'm like, man, I cannot leave this dude for nothing.
Tiger shark.
Got a wahoo.
Yeah, you got the wahoo on that one. Running fast like a damn bullet.
This is what y'all do to me when I put on some bait.
29.
Well,
get bait once you catch a shark.
I would say if I could, the day could have ended up like yours when you didn't catch no shark. So at least I didn't fall in that category.
Yeah, I knew I shouldn't have waited. I could have had that second one already.
But you're still doing good though. You're still catching sharks. You caught the second one, so your drought is over.
Yeah, come on, shark, right now. Ah, that would have been nice if I had another one. Shit. Lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day.
And I got these regular fish. My thing don't want to act up. I had that dang shark. It wanted to like try to time out. I see what y'all trying to do to the Oculus.
Lovely day. See if I can record and it will hear the sounds.
Yeah. You talking about your headset or what your music, whatever?
No, the headset. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
All right.
They've been corrected. I've been doing all this recording and stuff on there.
I haven't practiced since.
Yeah, because you know if it messed up on one of us, it messed up on both. But once I found it's been working, I've been rolling them things.
Are you not entertained?
Now if you over there recording, that should give me a shark in. If you recording,
no,
it's only fair.
I'm about
I'm
to turn it off. Oh, not there.
Barracuda.
Not there, Willis.
You know what's crazy is that when I'm fishing, I got a good idea of what kind of fish it would be, but as soon as I get off the game, I forget all the fish names. Like I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I only know when I'm in the game.
Yeah. Only in-game knowledge.
Yeah, because we ain't making money out in the real world, so I don't give a fuck about a fish.
Oh yeah, I was looking at the when you was in my live the other day. It hit you with that that bite hit you with that what's the name because you said the little N word.
my nigga.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I looked at that and said, "Oh wow, that's what it hit him with it." I guess you can't say that. You can't be saying that in there, man.
What does it do?
Huh?
What does it do? Does it take it off?
Yeah, it hit it, but it, like if you would have kept saying it, they probably would have kicked you out the room.
Oh, I see what you're saying. They hit it. They said hit it. H-I-T. Like, how did they hit it? Is that something new?
Huh? Hit what?
I thought you said they hit me.
Nah, they talking about your language and stuff. They talking about it, like the spam and stuff and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Like you do a certain amount of stuff, they kick you out the room.
Right.
Like capital letters.
Like,
more than 4 emojis, they're considered as spam.
oh shit. Is that what that thing you turned on called?
Yeah, the Nightbot. The Nightbot.
Nightbot.
It pretty much it kind of help with the room, navigate, makes it. Yeah, pretty much.
A watchdog. There you go.
So people who be in there spamming and stuff, they're just in there just to cause problem in your live. They probably catch them while I'm doing other things. Somebody like, man, your thing. Oh my gosh, now this thing lagging again.
While you're entertaining. Oh shit. I hear a runner, folks. I better pull my line in and get mine back out there.
It's nothing. It's moving too fast. I think I got my one shark for today. And watch my look. This one right here gonna load up, and the other one won't. So I unsynced the other ones that I already done. So I was trying to make sure it wasn't that was causing it not to sync up. But that's not the reason. They won't let me go in there and.
I think because they're long. You got hours.
The other one that was an hour. The other one that was hour. I was able to sync.
Oh, never mind then. Yeah, I think you should just try hooking up to the laptop. Take it off there and see if it works faster, because you're going direct transfer instead of going through the Bluetooth and trying to transfer over to the phone from Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Just don't get a shark. That'll be cool. Ooh, you're going too fast. I see that motherfucker running.
Yeah, they're running.
You be catching these bullets, man.
You know, somebody gotta get them out the way so you can eat.
Thanks, man.
Today is your eating day.
Why don't you go to your aquarium and fucking crack that open and let the world eat. Let everybody else on the game eat.
No, we gotta keep people safe. And I changed her name on here. I like Miss A, and she changed her name to Miss A. I like. She was in the live. I didn't know. I was like, who's Miss A? I said, we got a new person in here. I'm like, cool. I definitely appreciate it. And then I go out to go subscribe to her, and it was Anna.
You're already subscribed.
I'm like, oh, she came and changed up on me. She went flip mode. Flip mode's the greatest.
Flip mode squad.
So I try to do my little shorts, and I try to do it at different times to see if they hit different. Because at certain times you're supposed to do it, so it's supposed to help out. Apparently, today it didn't do no justice. But you know, it's probably just because this is the month where everything gets slow. Hey, where the heck you came here? I'll take it. I take it, I'm not.
He said, where you come from?
I'm just when you become a fisher, you know what I mean, on the Oculus, some stuff like, oh, it's one of you.
How does my boat look today?
I seen that. I'm like, this dude copy me and everything.
No, mine's dark. Mine's black, I think.
Yeah, mine's lighter. Like
Yours is shining like you polished it. Like you polished it before you put it in the water.
you know, we gotta keep it clean. You know what I mean? Gotta keep it clean.
Keep it clean, keep it clean. You know what I mean?
All we gotta do now
His
is
name
wash it
is Jordan, and he keeps it clean. For all those ladies that are interested, just know Jordan keeps it clean.
Oh my gosh, this dude.
Ding ding. OnlyFans.
Whatever. Now it's time to slow down. Where my fish baits at now? Like, oh, there you go. So I said something. Yeah, thanks for being nice.
Where's my red line at?
You don't need one.
Must be slowing down. I think it's time for a reset.
You don't need one. You already caught 2 sharks.
I need a reset. I see bubbles. Oh, there, I see one right there. Oh, shit. Spoke too soon. Damn, wrong way.
Man, this thing didn't do nothing. Just roll right on in here. No fight, no nothing.
Oh, shit, that was shark bait.
I know, right? And it was in the shark area.
Correction. Shark zone.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
If you're an angler, you would know that.
Ah.
But, no, I'm here to help you out, buddy.
Yeah, you know, my little 30+ great whites don't count for nothing.
Why do you have to give us a number on here, Jordan? Why do you give a number?
I didn't say the full
never asked
number.
for a number.
I didn't say the full number. I just said 30+.
You said 30+.
What you on? You still in the 10s? 10+?
I don't think I hit sweet 13 yet. For the great white, like shit, I'm still in the preteens, buddy.
But them blunt nose though, you got a lot of them. Probably got about like 120.
Yeah, fuck a blunt nose.
Yeah, I'm watching this. I was watching one dude yesterday. He was playing Rocket League, and I've been playing on Rocket League on the PS4. I'm like, man, he's not having no problems on this game. He was doing backflips and everything. I try to do this thing.
Under control.
Yeah. I try to get on there. I try to aim for the dang on. I'm missing everything, just flying past everything. I said, oh, okay, he's playing.
He's on there playing like it's Call of Duty.
He went undefeated on the thing. He didn't lose not one game. He playing hoops. Shucky. It almost made me want to cut mine on, but you know, it was just. You got another shark?
I called him and he came out.
I didn't even see you jump on there. Congratulations.
Ooh, it's gonna run all the way to the other side of the water.
That what? And I seen how you sent it to my phone. This man eating in a short amount of time today. Thanks to him sitting holding the shark for like 20 minutes.
Maybe we have to do that more often. Oh, this guy's running left and right. Sit your ass down. I know the blunt nose. Rather have a great white, but this is blunt nose number 3.
And it's all recorded, so that's good. I actually seen 2 of them, but one of them was already on the boat waiting on me.
I'm thinking of how I was going to cook them, but that's my personal... Me, man. Come on. I feel like Earl missing all these snaps.
Ooh. Did you reset your fish or something? You just still hot then. All right, that's what's up. Good to know. Good to know.
Can't distract me, Jordan. I'm focused, man.
Oh, we already know. You already had a couple of history of losing stuff. But
oh shit!
Lately you've been doing pretty. Oh wow. Lately you've been doing pretty good.
Yeah, all because I waited for you to come in the room. How nice.
Damn, show off.
Well, hanging around you, it kind of rubs off, buddy.
I feel you.
It was quiet until you came to the bowling alley.
Yeah.
Have you been to the bowling alley lately?
Yeah, I've been up there. I can't do stuff like I want because they ain't body me. Dang, your shots look like they're getting smaller, but at least you getting them.
They are. Start off with 228 first, and small after that. Sometimes you start off big, Jordan, and work your way small.
Yeah.
I used to mess with a lot of big girls, and now working with the smaller girls. See how you do that, kids? Start big, work your way small.
Oh my God.
And at wintertime, I go back to the big.
Wow. So his preference on debating on the season? What you saying?
I love them all, Jordan. That's what I'm trying to say. I love them all.
Okay. Just trying to get a clarification. You know what I mean?
And we'll edit that part out.
Nah.
The good thing about the recordings, you can edit whatever you want. Splice it, dice it.
Well,
overlap it.
You good at doing that, but mine is whatever you see is what you get.
You're just straight raw. Just like his fish tank. Straight raw.
Hey, so I was just like my live today. My phone keep falling. The thing was bad. Like, what the heck is going on today? I had on my mask and it want to act up.
I seen you. You're like, whoa, hang on.
Like, it's not gonna stop me from doing my workout though.
Nothing stops him from doing the workout. Not even females, man.
What
He's
about,
dedicated.
Fitness is key, man. I've been doing this for a while now. I gotta be consistent with my fitness.
Weights before dates, bro.
Whatever.
All I need is fitness and hot pockets, and he's good to go.
Ooh. And some cereal.
With a little VR.
Don't forget the cereal. You know what I mean? Cereal is
the cereal.
A main essential to the life of the J.
Everybody needs that milk.
Since we throwing it out there, a lot of times the milk don't last as long like it should because it's already gone. I'm like they're like this. They said Jordan he be drinking his milk. So let's raise the price on this milk. I like hold up.
Gonna spoil the same speed. Let's raise it up.
Yeah. I'm like, I'm used to getting my milk for like $2 and some change. Now you want to charge $4 and something for milk? What the hell you do that at?
Wonder why he didn't jump. Epic fool. Epic fool. Oh, I thought that your fish was a whale.
I think Murph, he thought we was catching whales because he haven't been on since the update.
Oh wow, since the update, that's been a minute.
Yeah, so that means he gotta get the update just to fish in the U.S. West. And many times I asked George to join on.
Yeah, he's so busy
Yeah.
It's
all good. People got a lot of stuff to deal with. There you go. Just gotta handle their stuff the way they need to. That's appropriate for them. So,
I'm just lucky that I got time because I got all the kids handled today. Like, I am done. Jonah went to the weight room today. Picked his ass up. I adjusted her brakes again and woo! So let me get on this water out here. See what Jordan the J is doing out here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna go live on Friday. So I'm gonna start going live on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Unless I have something that come up on the schedule. But Wednesday, Sundays mainly. But this man got another shark. Why I'm talking? The disrespect.
That's for
this shark is, this,
yeah, that's
this,
what
this
normally happens to me talking.
Ladies and gentlemen, y'all witness greatness number 2. Because I am number 1. But
Sharktastic. I caught that. Like Sharktastic Day.
Yeah, they
not only is Jordan getting all these sharks like this, so the shoe has switched today, I tell you.
Yeah,
But that just tells you, girls and boys, you win and lose them. You win some and you lose some.
Yep, you might lose a lot.
Take the loss and come back another day and try again. Just like dating and marriage when you guys get older.
You're dropping that knowledge for y'all.
Cheaper to get married than it is to get divorced.
What you say is cheaper to stay single than it is. What are you talking about, man?
That too.
It's my money and I want it now.
Hey, it's my money. I want to keep it.
Apparently
I was that way for a while.
You getting all the babies of the dang blunt nose today.
Yeah, right. I took their daddies. They're trying to find out where their papa went. He's in my tank, Bo.
He changed up his boat. He over here having a lot of success because he had that the last time he was over here. He had that little substitute. He did horrible with that substitute. I'm talking about. You looked to your left, you couldn't even see his boat.
I made that in shop class, boy. Don't crack on my boat.
Oh, 200.
We got. Oh, going back up. Going back up. Going back up. Poke it in the eye.
The only thing that make up for all these sharks, it's a great weight.
Yeah, I know. That's next. That's all I need. If I get the great white on this, woo, it's over. Wah, 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 wah. Game over.
Like, I see this man catch all these blunt noses and not one great white.
Not one. This guy got a monkey face twice. I can't see a monkey face.
Well, apparently I can't see no damn blunt nose after that first one.
Well, if you look over here to your left when I'm catching them, you can.
Woo! You do have a point. You do have a point.
Come on, man. Grab this. All right, I gotta switch it up real quick. I gotta get him. He's on the top somewhere. You on the top? You on the top over there? I see that white shadow.
Another wahoo.
Wahoo! I think I got a yellow fin. A yellow fin?
So I went to throw the bowling ball, and my damn elbow got jacked up. So now I definitely feel it when I try to do these dang on push-ups.
Oh shit! You might need to take a break.
No
I got a Wahoo too. We're gonna see who's bigger. I
ain't taking no break until next month. Next month,
challenges never end. Yeah, until your arm goes out.
Next month, I'm gonna go back to the battle ropes. Not the battle rope jump rope, but just the regular battle ropes. I haven't done it in a while, so that mean I will be doing workouts outside.
Let the body be your guide.
Yeah.
Let the pain guide you to greatness.
So I think I'll be bringing, if I'm doing the work stuff outside, so I might do battle ropes, plank, and the performance ball, the medicine ball, throwing it on the ground and catching them. I gotta, have a day a month where you still doing some workout, but at the same time, you can still get some, chill time on the rest of the body parts. Yours bigger than mine.
You got?
I got 80.6.
Yeah.
You got 80.7.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Today is your day. Today is your day.
I'm having a shark-tastic day. 4 sharks. With the personal best. Blunt nose. Man, Jordan, thanks for coming in, man. Thanks for coming in when you did. I sure did wait for you.
You definitely did that. It went from, biting you in the foot to actually for some success.
Yeah, right?
I was over here laughing so hard about we tied 1-1. Now it's 1-4.
Yeah, I was gonna say, don't forget that 4.
I give credit where it's due, man. I do that.
All right, I'm glad you're like that, man.
So
don't find any two of those people around these days. Everybody's out to get you for something.
Yeah.
If they only knew I didn't have nothing, so I don't know what they're trying to get. I did pay off my student loan though. Boo!
Oh yeah?
Yeah, leave me the fuck alone.
I don't have. They took mine off. Cause my disability. My military disability. They wound up taking it off. Paid it. They paid it. They were sending me messages like, hey, if you want us to take your student loan off for free, let us know. We can still charge you. Like, who the hell would do some dumb shit like that? Like, nah, keep it on there. I want to pay. I want to keep paying my student loans.
Some people that don't understand it, they try to think, oh, that sounds smart.
Like, if you contact us before this and let us know, we will keep your student loans on your credit. Like, nah, player, you can take that off my credit.
Yeah. Mine, it came off. Well, it's gonna come off.
It dropped my credit score a couple points, but it went right back up after a while. I still got the truck note. I still got the truck note and the house note.
Oh yeah. Equity.
Yeah. Matter of fact, I need to go through some mail. I think I got something from the IRS. I'm like, you ain't getting no damn money.
Right.
So, did you hear about the little $500 people were supposed to be getting this summer? No. I heard a couple people got. Well, I don't know if it's over there, but I guess it's like a gas relief or something.
Oh shit! Something else they can sit there and tax.
Yeah.
Then make you pay
monkey
for
face.
It.
You got the monkey face.
Monkey face bastard. Pickle bat. Prickle. Oh, it sounds like you got a potential shark over there, buddy.
Man, this Juggle so they ain't gonna slow. It stopped as soon as the thing went to run. Like, nah, I ain't going nowhere.
Oh, that's my well. That's my secret well spot.
I do get it. I do have a sheep head though.
Oh yeah, well, you are epic though. Gotta give you that, buddy.
Since I can't catch no shark, I gotta at least get some epics.
Yeah, one or the other, buddy. Whatever you do, you're still giving them a show. Are you not entertained?
I don't. And then for some reason, YouTube keep taking my comments off when I do my keyboard. I go in there. I put on there deleted comments on all comments, and then I come back and said the comments disabled. So I'm like, what the heck? So I got to keep going back into the settings to change it. Like, all right, y'all tripping. Y'all already not letting me reply to people videos or.
What did I do? What did I do?
Y'all don't
deserve all this.
I know I ain't gonna get none of this Juggle, so they ain't gonna close.
That happened last time, remember?
Huh?
Last time you said that and bloom.
Yeah, that was last time. That time is gone.
What happened this time? I think that's recorded too.
Yeah, it was the other time, the one where you caught all the sharks and stuff, and I didn't catch nothing. I couldn't even post that video. I couldn't even get it to sync.
Well, I hope after this you go try your laptop.
Yeah, I gotta go. I also gotta need to find out which one is the one that you did, because I wanna give credit to where it's due.
Coming to Facebook or YouTube near you.
Yeah.
Red line. I'm talking about red line, boy.
I still didn't do the my oil change on my motorcycle since it's been raining. I could just go do the oil change on my motorcycle. Cause I already had bought me a new battery.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
All right. Can't wait till I get my motorcycle. Boom! We can do FaceTime races.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that, player.
Come on, Jordan. Let's start something new, man.
Nah.
FaceTime races, bro. Nobody's doing it.
You gonna be doing it by yourself, too. But I'm like, I try to stay safe out there on them streets. Like, oh, wow, the wheel's wet? I ain't going.
Sometimes you get caught in the rain.
Yeah, that's the. I have to be caught. You know, that's the only way.
Only way I'm be in the rain.
Yeah. Even though I went to school, when I took the class, I actually had to do my whole training in the rain.
That's even better.
So I know how to drive the motorcycle in the rain because I did the training. And then, like, I was so used to doing the stuff in the rain. The day that we took the test, it wasn't raining. So I was like, "What the hell?"
It was dry.
Yeah. Kind of threw me for a loop trying to get the stuff done. Like, whatever you do, don't drop the bike. If you drop the bike, you get some points taken off when you're doing the test. You can go slow, but you bet don't drop the motorcycle.
Yeah, right. Don't drop it. Shark zone, shark zone, shark zone.
I think I know.
Sharky,
like I'm catching fish. I see the fish and stuff. I just think I need to reset it, you know, because I'm still seeing stuff on here. I need to spice up the room with some a reset.
Spice up your life. Spice it up.
So they oh man, that's completely wrong. Let me bring that back. Hey, you know the time be moving fast when you be fishing, man. I'm like, It was like over here. It was like 8:03. It's already almost 9 o'clock over here.
So that means it's almost 6 here. Shit.
Yeah,
you're right, Jordan. Here, sharky. Damn it. I'm greedy. Barracuda.
I guess I'll do a part 2 so I'll make sure my videos ain't too long. Bump that.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna do it the other way.
Jordan don't care. Do your own way, Jordan.
Yeah.
Let's go to about 6 o'clock then.
Alright. It's only like 7 minutes anyway, so that's cool.
Oh, that's good. I'm hungry and tired. Then I want to see if I think it'll work better when you hook it to the computer.
Yeah.
Faster transfer rate.
I did the old Oculus that way. I didn't do the new one that way. Dang, look at this toss. Oof. That joker went straight up and went straight down, right in front of the boat.
Oh shit. Straight up and straight down, like in the church parking lot.
Nothing.
Come on, red line, where you at? Where you at?
Glad you said it, because it needed to be on mine. You know? You know? There we go. I appreciate it, man.
Oh, you
Appreciate the hospitality.
Right there in Shark Zone. Shark Zone?
Yeah, it's definitely there. I never didn't get nothing, though.
Couple spots. Oh, damn. These spots up in there.
Yeah.
Red line. Red line.
No, I know something at the bottom right here that I seen. There you go. I knew it. Pay attention to the area.
This little video thing. Oh, that fire.
They do have a, size challenge, but,
They do trick you every once in a while.
yeah.
What the hell's going on?
So when I load this video on YouTube, it might not be in order. I might have this one to drop first, depend on when the videos load up on my phone. But if not, it's cool. Just giving y'all updates.
It is what it is.
Like, man, this man been eating. Then you gonna see next day, like, oh man, this dude ain't doing nothing.
Ain't shit.
I was thinking. I was thinking about doing like a one day we should go around and do like 3 different games. Record that though. Like maybe like beach, smash drums, skydiving, and fishing. Cause we both got those. And but there's other games we have as well that we could bring into the world of the Oculus.
Oculus.
Barracuda. And y'all noticed today that after that first shark that on the first one, I have not received anything.
I ain't giving him shit. What he trying to say?
I didn't say it that strongly, but you know,
it was shit.
It was in the realm of that.
All I need is a great white. He's very good right now. Y'all help me out. Y'all help me out here. Damn it. Oh, this little guy. Starting to do me dirty now.
Nah, man, they doing you just right. You had to eat a lot, so they gotta give you the babies to go with them.
They doing me dirty, man. My whole purpose out here is for great white, so I can get a big old fish tank, like the J. Jordan.
I have no idea what you're talking about, man. You know?
I gotta take a day off work just to catch up with this guy. Turn up my invisible so you can't see me fishing.
Fish offline, so when you come back, it's there.
Yeah, I remember that old trick they used to do, trick-a-rooney. Fish offline in 3 days.
Yeah, like I'm gonna have everybody fish this thing offline, so when they come on, I would have so many points.
Yeah, I did that too. Like, yeah, I'm about to come in here and be all in front of everybody. Everybody else doing the same thing.
You was there, man. I would definitely would have stayed in there with you and kept that so you get that joker back up there. You're like, nah, I don't have time to deal with that.
They're fighting hard. I couldn't even sleep without getting up and playing a couple games. Catch 10 fish every fucking 30 minutes.
Yeah. It probably would have helped if you would have had someone else to fish with you, so when y'all could rotate. Because I definitely believe some of these people, that what they be doing. They be rotating. That's why I seem like they own all the damn time. Sharky.
Damn it. It worked last time.
It did.
I'm getting the same little guy every time. Mother humpers. Clap to this, clap. No great whites, man. That's the only sucky thing about it, man.
Yeah, I know. You caught a lot of sharks, but it definitely wasn't like the shark taxi day I had the other day. Woo-wee.
But no, great white, leopard. Well,
it's like it didn't even make no sense to get off the game. It was eating so good the other day. Like man, hold up. I gotta go to the thing and make sure I got the what they call it, the little clothes. See if it needed renewed on the day for the rewards.
Oh, okay.
Cause you know they normally don't. At first they used to have you once you go to the thing, it would put you there, but now you gotta actually go click on it to go to it.
Like, if you want it now, you gotta go get it.
Yeah, you gotta go get it.
Here, sharky, 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 sharky.
I used a little massage gun on my left shoulder. That just feels good, right? It feels. It's not great, but it feels way better than it used to.
You better use it on your elbow.
Nah, that's gonna hurt if I do that.
Everybody's doing it, Jordan.
Well, I'm not everybody. You getting all these barracudas? But congratulations, man. You shark texted today.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. Shark-tastic. Fucking A, shark-tastic, buddy. Alright,
yeah.
Last cast.
Last one, huh?
Yep, you better get something on it.
Alright. Whatever one of us catch, the biggest one win today.
Yeah.
Like, nah, that don't work. I got sharks. It's like my sharks ain't gonna get dropped by no damn small fish.
Ooh, red line. That's what I'm talking about.
Woohoo! Woohoo! I want a red line too.
Run.
I want a red line, so give me a red line. There you go.
Come on, sharky, shark, shark. Great white. That's all I need. Great white. That's all I need. Ah. You monkey face pickleback motherfucker. Oh, it's not jumping, so it might be a. Oh, never mind. It's not a small one.
Well, this is definitely small.
Somebody got an itty bitty one. Coming in fast. Well, 22, 30.
Yeah.
She had a bad day, Jordan. Happens to the best of us.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, happens to the best of us, man. But, oh shit, what happened?
Yo, I went to the lobby. Just look at your empty fish tank.
There's 12 in there, Jordan. 12. Count them, all right, bro?
Man, look at this. I don't know how to act with just looking at. It's like nothing in here.
It's 12.
It's so empty.
I can count them all from here. One eye closed.
Oh man, you got this empty tank.
No, this
it's not empty, but you know he do got.
Look at the flowers, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Scronnee and Jordan. We're signing out.
Yeah, peace.
Hope you enjoy the entertainment.
Peace.
Are you not entertained?
He gonna leave me in his empty room.